15 and today's video is going to be cutting my own bangs in like less than 15 minutes because I gotta head out the door in 20. So yeah! Okay, so let's just get right on into this video and make sure to subscribe down below, share this video with your friends and family so that way you can encourage some craziness too. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want to see more craziness, and yeah, basically you're just gonna need a pair of scissors and one of these. And okay, so like I really don't like full bangs. I just want to like a few like framing bangs, we could say. Not very sure. So like I already put my hair back in a ponytail. I guess we could say that with a ponytail it's better because like I don't know. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail. And this low key really hurts doing this process of pulling hairs out. Yeah. I don't really want like full bangs. And like maybe if I want more, I'll like pull out more. I'm sorry, my mom is telling me that the food is ready. And yeah, like I don't even think she knows. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just pulling out my bangs. You see? Like try to make it like straight too. Like don't make it like yanky. Like you see what I'm doing? Like do like a straight curve. Cause like even though it's just like framing pieces, like you don't want to look messy either. So I don't know if like you could tell, but you're just basically gonna do this. Like I don't know if I've literally be capturing this. If not, we could just do this like as a vlog, and I'm really sorry if this wasn't a really helpful tutorial. But yeah, basically you're just gonna pull out your like we could say like your baby hairs, like your loose hairs, right? Is that the word? Because this is like framing bangs. And yeah, you just pull out your baby hairs and you make it like perfectly like circular, like you see. Try to make it as circular as you can by pulling out thin hairs with like a tooth comb. The thinner the comb, the better, of course. If you want to add a little bit more hairs, try, but always try keeping that like round figure, you know? Like you're gonna spend more time like pulling out hairs than actually cutting, because you want to like have your bangs like like to the desired fullness that you want while keeping like a shape. I think that this is to like a fullness that I want, because I don't really want like full bangs, so I think I got it. So I guess I have like bald spots because like I feel like my hairline is like very like in depth. Hopefully it's not gonna look like that once like my bangs are like cut or something. Gathered up, gonna brush it out. I am no cosmetologist, but I did cut my aunt's hair the other day and she said I did a really good job. So I have a lot of faith that this is going to go well. So basically, I grabbed all my hair, like the front pieces, and I'm going to tie this up. Like, I'm going to like grab this and like twist it up. Like, try to center it as much as you can because these are going to be like bangs, you know? You want them centered. Once you have your like thing centered, oh my god, it looks like a peacock, like a fan. Look. You're just gonna snip it. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I feel so crazy right now. I feel so crazy. What am I doing? what am I doing? What am I doing? I feel so crazy. I did it. I'm sorry for the messy hair in the back too. Alright, then I'll be right back once I like fix it up with the straightener. Okay, so I kind of like how like if I'm in the rush, my bangs don't look that bad, but they do look bad to where like I do have to flat iron them. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like, I don't know, like, I was like, I want bangs. I'm gonna make a YouTube video. I want bangs. Like, oh my god. I literally just woke up with the feeling like, I want bangs today. And I cut my bangs. Okay. I do what I want because I'm popping? Question mark? I was on the beach, yeah, I was on vacation. I was doing nothing, I was just sitting patient. Then you walked by, you caught my eye. I said, who's this girl? She's looking so fly. Hey, Miss Beautiful, I never seen. You got the like little boop. Okay, I like it how they're not like super full because I don't like the full bangs. I like thin bangs. I haven't seen myself in bangs since the 7th grade. Goes like, let's hope that doesn't stay like that. I'm able to fix it. Okay, these are kind of crazy. Not gonna lie. These are I don't know. I don't know what that's doing. Oh my god! I think I want to pull some more hairs from here. Remember all the things that you and I did first, and now you're doing them with her. Remember all the things that you and I did first. You got me like this, and now you're taking us to every restaurant and everywhere we went. Come on. I lost control and there's no doubt. I'm gonna start all over, out of the fire and into the fire again. You make me want to forget. Start all over. Here I come straight out of my mind or worse. Another chance to get burned and start all over. So okay, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. It wasn't really a tutorial because I didn't really speak much, but I think you could see. And yeah, don't mind the top part. It was just like the pulling out the hairs to make the bangs. But let's cover this part. Look how nice that looks. I could finally wear like those like cute headbands, you know. And oops, guess I didn't think an outro was necessary, and I didn't end up filming one and just said I didn't even say K peace bye God bless. So here K peace bye God bless, and